back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. As always, the links to all the pages I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you're new here, I just want to say welcome. This channel is all about searching the internet, looking for the best work from home jobs available, and bringing them to you on a daily basis. I do try to watch out and share things that are different from what other channels are sharing. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on, and if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the company Cimbria. Now, Cimbria has 97 reviews from current and past employees on Glassdoor. They do have an employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a remote data entry technician. Now, Cimbria RX Services is a pharmacy-related company. They're looking for experienced data entry technicians who share their commitment on ensuring that health and wellness of seniors is taken care of. They're specifically looking for somebody to do data entry of prescription orders and medical records. Work schedule is going to be 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday through Friday, and then 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. every other Saturday, Sunday, and having Tuesdays off. Now, one thing to quickly note about this position is while they're only going to require a high school diploma or GED, no college degree is required. If your state does require it, they're going to make you have a pharmacy technician license or certification. So just know that going in. But if that is still okay with you, this is not going to be a completely non-phone job. They're looking for somebody to make outbound phone calls, contacting physician offices as needed, refilling authorizations for those prescriptions. You may also have to contact the members or clients for verifications of orders as needed. You'll process new orders and refill prescriptions, open orders as needed, verify eligibility, proof of insurance, all of those things, inputting the prescriptions and information into the system while maintaining productivity and quality standards. Of course, you're going to document all of this correspondence you have with people and follow up with them in the system. Now, again, only a high school diploma or GED and that pharmacy technician license is needed. They do want somebody who has general computer knowledge, knows how to work those basic office systems, Microsoft Office like Word, Excel, Outlook for email, someone who has great communication skills, and someone who is okay working those nights and weekends. Now, unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. However, they do give you a 100% employee-owned company. Through their stock option program, they offer benefits like 401k and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.